15 seconds.
Faster!
I love this.
Greetings, Imperial citizens. Unfortunately, Anthony failed in his mission to open 308 Imperial troopers in 2 hours. Therefore, he will open the remaining 56 figures immediately. Faster. 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 Your performance was satisfactory. Well, we finally got that done. Now, it's time for you to do your part for the Empire. Like, subscribe, share, comment below, follow the Imperial Communique on Instagram, X, TikTok, and await the next transmission. Faster! 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 Faster!